Hi guys, how to enable developers option and how to disable. First, go to your settings. Here, search for about phones. Here. Then click the version, build number. Click build number 4 times. And that's it. You are now in developers mode. At paano naman or how to disable this developer option? Let's go back to your settings. Look for additional settings, here, developers option. Ano nga ba ang developers options? Developers options let you access the hidden settings on your Android phone when the developer mode is enabled. You can do debugging and application development. It is hidden to avoid enabling options that may cause unexpected results, especially for beginners. Some Android phones doesn't need to reset the settings nor clearing the data of your settings. Because like this unit, we have here Oppo A54. You'll just need to click or disable the first option. And that's it. If we go back, you see the developers option is gone. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget a thumbs up and subscribing is a lot appreciation. Thank you.